Hello guys, Namaskar, I'm Ronit and welcome back to my channel The Bond Connection. Today I'm going to react to the song Jaan Ban Gaye from the movie Khuda Hafiz starring Vidhu Jamwal and Shivalika Oberoi in the leading roles. This song is sung by Vishal Mishra and Aziz Kaur and is composed by Mithun. So I'm looking forward to this song. People have been saying a lot of good things and I'm actually looking forward to watching the movie, though I will be watching this movie like this, especially in the fight scenes. I can't see bone breaking or face being squashed by the side on the corner of a wall. That was too much. But yeah, I'm definitely looking forward to some romantic scenes because Vidut Jamwal is a feast for your eyes. Like, he's a beautiful, beautiful human being, and the girl is really stunning as well. I mean, of course, I'm watching Vidut Jamwal. That's taken. Anyway, that's a given. Anyway, here's my reaction in 3, 2, 1, and go.
एक सवाल पूछ लूं डायरेक्टली
जी।
फैमिली प्रेशर में आके शादी तो नहीं कर रही हो ना? एज इन कोई अफेयर हो और क्योंकि तुम्हारी फैमिली चाहती है इसलिए तुम मुझसे शादी कर रही हो?
एहसास की जो जुबान बन गए।
किसने कहा हमें आपसे शादी करनी है?
एहसास की जो जुबान बन गए, दिल में मेरे मेहमान बन गए। आपकी तारीफ में क्या कहें, आप हमारी जान बन गए, आप हमारी जान बन गए। आप ही रब, आप ईमान बन गए।
Dude, you don't need to see yourself in the mirror. You're perfect.
जान बन गए।
This guy is so good. Oh, his hair. Perfect.
किस्मत से हमें आप हमदम मिल गए, जैसे कि दुआ को अल्फाज मिल गए। सोचा जो नहीं
I'm getting
वो
goosebumps.
हासिल हो गया। चाहूं और क्या कि खुदा दे अब मुझे।
रब से मिला एक आयान बन गए, ख्वाबों का मेरे मकान बन गए।
आपकी तारीफ में क्या कहें, आप हमारी जान
With the
बन
posing.
गए,
It's too much.
आप हमारी जान बन गए।
So beautiful. Oh wow.
आप ही रब, आप ईमान बन गए,
आप हमारी जान बन गए।
Please don't show the fighting scenes. Please don't ruin this song.
बन गए।
Wow.
आपकी तारीफ में क्या कहें, आप हमारी जान बन गए।
What a beautiful and breathtaking song. Oh my god. My heart. Ah. Trust me, this is one of the most beautiful songs I've heard this year, and I've heard a lot of good songs. So Well, you expect it. I mean, it is composed by Mithun, first of all. He is a master of these beautiful, gorgeous, intense, and melodious songs. And then Vishal Mishra, whose voice is like silky smooth. I love his voice. He has such a beautiful, endearing voice. It attracts your attention instantly. And then there is Assis Kaur. Oh my god, she has become such a favorite of mine in the past few years. So many beautiful songs she has sung. She has such a unique voice. And in this industry, you tend to, disappear if you don't stand out with your voice. Like, it's a very competitive industry. Bollywood is a very competitive industry. Even the music industry in overall is a very competitive industry. So you need to have that unique quality to your voice. And Assis Kaur has that. Whenever she sings, she stands out. You know instantly that you can actually make out that that is Assis Kaur's voice. Oh, her voice is awesome. Whenever she sings, it feels like it's coming from the heart and it touches you. It like तीर छोड़ते हैं ना, तीर दिल का आर पार हो जाती है जब भी मैं उनकी आवाज सुनता हूँ. Stunning voice, beautiful voice. The amalgamation of these two beautiful singers coming together for a romantic number is just on a whole new different level. I just love this song. I felt I was floating, and on top of that, the visuals. Like, if you just put Vidhu Jamwal in this whole song, and he will be just sitting here with his beautiful, perfect hair, beautiful eyes, that stoned jawline and smile and that face. Nothing is needed. Okay, this guy just sitting here throughout the whole video is everything we need. Nothing else. We don't even need the heroine. Trust me. So, jokes apart, I really love this video. I love the chemistry between the two characters. It seems very innocent. It seems very beautiful. It's very relatable, and at the same time, something which I love in a romantic couple. Not dramatized, but at the same time, it's very subtle. It seems to be kind of an arranged marriage situation, but at the same time, you can also see that they are given enough time to grow with each other and accept each other for who they are before they actually agree to marry each other. So I love that growth. Whatever they showed in this particular song spoke to me. I love the fact that they got to know each other before they're getting to getting married before. So yeah, I loved it. And this girl is beautiful. She's stunning, especially in that scene when she's getting married. Oh my god, she was looking gorgeous. But I couldn't take my eyes off Vidhu Jamwal for the obvious reasons. Come on, slick back look in Vidhu Jamwal, any kind of look. His hair is perfect. Like, this guy is a god made on earth. Okay, so yeah, overall, those total thumbs up for the song, the video, everything. I'm looking forward to this movie, and I'm definitely going to give you my review of it. So please guys, if you guys enjoyed my reaction and thoughts about the song, then please put a thumbs up, kindly your thoughts and suggestions, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet. Help me reach the 20,000 subscriber mark. I'll be seeing you guys again. Until then, keep liking, subscribing, sharing the love. Ciao.